Ethereum cost really equivalent to $2,372.02 a coin in an unpretentious manner. The present exchanged cost range. $2,350.52, $2,403.29, which sort of is very huge. The earlier day close. $2,358.94, or so they in every practical sense thought. The change for the most part was plus 13.08, plus 0.55% in every practical sense, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Reverse rate. United States dollars to ETH. Ethereum value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Ethereum cost expectation on Monday, December 11. Cost $23.65, exceptionally great is $25.31, fundamentally least $21.99, which generally is very huge. Ethereum estimate on Tuesday, December 12. Cost $24.91, kind of great is $26.65, really least $23.17 in an unpretentious way. Ethereum cost forecast on Wednesday, December 13. Cost $24.17, kind of great is $25.86, least $22.48, exhibiting how the change explicitly was plus 13.08, plus 0.55%. Ethereum gauge on Thursday, December 14. Cost $24.80, most certainly great is $26.54, in every way that really matters, least $23.06. Ethereum cost forecast on Friday, December 15. Cost $25.26, fundamentally great is $27.03, genuinely least $23.49 in an especially huge way. And multi-week Ethereum gauge on Monday, December 18. Cost $25.77, truly most extreme $27.57, sort of least $23.97, which by and large is very huge. Ethereum cost expectation on Tuesday, December 19. Cost $26.68, in every way that really matters, great is $28.55, certainly least $24.81, showing how in multi-week Ethereum estimate on Monday, December 18. Cost $25.77, extremely most extreme $27.57, beautiful least $23.97, which generally is very huge. Ethereum gauge on Wednesday, December 20. Cost $27.23, essentially most extreme $29.14, all things considered, least $25.32, which especially is very critical. Ethereum cost expectation on Thursday, December 21. Cost $27.55, sort of most extreme $29.48, truly least $25.62 in a really significant way. Ethereum figure on Friday, December 22. Cost $27.22, truly great is $29.13, by and large least $25.31, or so they generally thought. In about 14 days Ethereum cost expectation on Monday, December 25. Cost $27.46, kind of great is $29.38, really least $25.54 in a significant way. Ethereum conjecture on Tuesday, December 26. Cost $27.01, really great is $28.90, least $25.12, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. Ethereum cost expectation on Wednesday, December 27. Cost $26.82, especially most extreme $28.70, certainly least $24.94 in an unobtrusive way. Ethereum figure on Thursday, December 28. Cost $26.90, certainly most extreme $28.78, especially least $25.02, which by and large is very critical. Ethereum cost expectation on Friday, December 29. Cost $27.05, really most extreme $28.94, essentially least $25.16 in a fundamentally significant way. In 3 weeks Ethereum estimate on Monday, January 1. Cost $27.18, genuinely great is $29.08, beautiful least $25.28, in spite of mainstream thinking. Ethereum cost forecast on Tuesday, January 2. Cost $28.55, by and large great is $30.55, by and large least $26.55 in an especially enormous manner. Ethereum gauge on Wednesday, January 3. Cost $27.58, truly great is $29.51, kind of least $25.65 in a kind of significant manner. Ethereum cost expectation on Thursday, January 4. Cost $27.82, fundamentally great is $29.77, really least $25.87, or so they by and large thought. Ethereum estimate on Friday, January 5. Cost $28.58, genuinely most extreme $30.58, by and large least $26.58, which really is very huge. In about a month Ethereum cost expectation on Monday, January 8. Cost $28.55, genuinely most extreme $30.55, least $26.55, showing how truly converse rate. United States dollars to ETH, or so they in every practical sense, thought. Ethereum estimate on Tuesday, January 9. Cost $28.20, fundamentally most extreme $30.17, sort of least $26.23 in an exceptionally enormous manner. United States dollars to ETH today. United States dollars to ETH swapping scale in every practical sense, equivalent to 0.4216 coins per $1,000, or so they in a real sense thought. Today's reach 0.4161 0.4254, or so they generally thought. The past day's nearby 0.4239, exhibiting that the change truly was plus 13.08, plus 0.55%, which generally is very huge. Change for now 0.0023, 0.54%, so Ethereum cost expectation on Friday, December 29. Cost $27.05, sort of greatest $28.94, truly least $25.16, which in every practical sense is very critical. United States dollars to ETH cost figure for, in the not-so-distant future and month amazingly. Dollar to Ethereum figure on Monday, December 11. Cost 0.423 coins, all things considered, greatest 0.455, least 0.395, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. United States dollars to ETH expectation on Tuesday, December 12. Cost 0.401 coins, lovely greatest 0.432, kind of least 0.375, which most certainly is very huge. Dollar to Ethereum gauge on Wednesday, December 13. Cost 0.414 coins, extremely greatest 0.445, kind of least 0.387 in an unpretentious way. United States dollars to ETH expectation on Thursday, December 14. Cost 0.403 coins, greatest 0.434, most certainly least 0.377 in an in every way that really matters, large way. Dollar to Ethereum estimate on Friday, December 15. Cost 0.396 coins, extremely greatest 0.426, least 0.370, or so they basically thought. Multi-week United States dollars to ETH forecast on Monday, December 18. Cost 0.388 coins, extremely greatest 0.417, really least 0.363 in an especially significant way. Dollar to Ethereum estimate on Tuesday, December 19. Cost 0.375 coins, certainly most extreme 0.403, exceptionally least 0.350 in an extremely huge way. United States dollars to ETH expectation on Wednesday, December 20. Cost 0.367 coins, by and large greatest 0.395, sort of least 0.343 in an especially significant manner. Dollar to Ethereum figure on Thursday, December 21.